Do you want to learn how to analyze the cryptocurrency market and find cryptocurrencies that are presenting a good opportunity at the moment? At CoinCodex, we provide a suite of tools that will help you learn all you need to know about crypto under one roof. For example, the gainers and losers section is the quickest way to get up to speed on what's happening in the crypto markets today. Here, you can find the top 50 best and worst performing cryptocurrencies in the selected time period and easily identify buying and selling opportunities. If a cryptocurrency is performing particularly well, it's probably worth to check out its social media to see if there's any big partnership announcements, exchange listings or other important events driving the price. You can also use CoinCodex to find cryptocurrencies that are potentially undervalued or overvalued at the moment. This section is based on the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, technical indicator. The RSI is an indicator that measures an asset's momentum. If a coin's RSI is too high, that's a sign that it might be overbought and a price correction could be coming soon. Meanwhile, a low RSI can indicate a good opportunity to buy low. By taking a look at the Status tab, you can see whether a coin is potentially overbought or undervalued. Meanwhile, the Opportunity tab shows the strength of the signal. In other words, if a coin is strongly overbought or undervalued, the opportunity score will be high. The strongest signals are sorted at the top by default. The next thing you should consider when looking for trading opportunities in the crypto market is volatility. Our volatility section will show you the most highly volatile cryptocurrencies over the last 30-day period. If a crypto is trading in a narrow price range, then the volatility index will return a low value, whereas a wide trading range results in high volatility. Highly volatile coins are especially interesting for short-term traders who have a higher risk tolerance. The Trending Cryptocurrencies section can give you a unique perspective, as it ranks cryptocurrencies according to how popular they are among CoinCodex users in the last 24 hours. If you see a cryptocurrency with a relatively low market cap but a high rank on the trending charts, this can be a sign that crypto investors are becoming increasingly interested in the coin, or that it has a strong and active community. If you're feeling adventurous, the new crypto section showcases the latest cryptocurrencies that have been listed on CoinCodex. We try to list as many coins as possible to provide a complete overview of the crypto market. At the moment, we're up to more than 26,000 coins now, and the number is growing every day. You might find some promising new cryptocurrencies here, but you should of course do your own research on any new crypto projects you're interested in. After finding a cryptocurrency that you find interesting, you can use CoinCodex to set up a price alert. Simply choose a cryptocurrency, set a desired price, and you will automatically receive a notification via email or the CoinCodex app when the coin reaches the set price. The alerts are synchronized across the desktop version of CoinCodex and our mobile app. Now, let's check out some CoinCodex features that are tailored to users who are investing in crypto with a more long-term perspective. For example, our Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index section is a good way to find out how investors are currently feeling about the crypto market. The Fear and Greed Index gauges crypto market sentiment by measuring price volatility, market momentum and trading volume, Bitcoin dominance and other factors. The index produces a reading from 0 to 100. Lower values indicate fear in the market, while higher values indicate greed. If the market is overwhelmingly fearful, there could be a good buying opportunity. Meanwhile, if investors are feeling too confident, that could mean that taking some profits is a good idea. You've probably already heard the famous quote by legendary investor Warren Buffett: "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." Another interesting tool that we provide on CoinCodex is the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. This is a logarithmic Bitcoin price chart that features several colored bands. Depending on which band the Bitcoin price is currently located in, the chart can be used to determine whether now is a good time to buy or sell Bitcoin. The hotter colors indicate that Bitcoin is overvalued, while the colder colors suggest Bitcoin is currently undervalued. We also provide a rainbow chart for Ethereum, which is based on the same principles. Last but not least, you should consider the Bitcoin dominance chart, which tells you how much of the total cryptocurrency market cap is taken up by Bitcoin. Generally speaking, we see Bitcoin dominance dropping when the market is feeling bullish and investors have a higher risk tolerance. In such conditions, crypto investors are willing to invest more of their funds into riskier altcoins, which ultimately results in Bitcoin's market share dropping. What's your favorite feature on CoinCodex? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Best of luck in your crypto journey.